Well, here we are, another Georgia summer day, maybe the hottest day of the year. Forecast for 97. If it gets up to 98, then that'll be the hottest of the year so far. We've got a good section of the roof tore out already, and we're about to wrap it up and get that last little bit out down there and then tear out the gable wall. And then that will free up a lot more room. We can start building the walls in here, build the gable wall down on the end so we can get some permanent support on this main ridge up here. And then in the meantime, while we were waiting on the dumpster, we completed a section of wall down on this end, ran a double LVL, supported on top of that wall, and then supported in this junction here where this wall supports this LVL running east to west. So now we're pretty much ready to proceed. We carried this floor all the way out over the future porch below, which isn't completed. So we have our beam that we're tying our joist to, and we ran that out and temporarily supported it out there with 2x4s. And then of course we had this wall here to set it on, and it'll actually extend out 1 foot further. But we have our beam in place, our rim joist that extends out, and we'll be able to run this rafter down, this common gable rafter, all the way down and set it out there. This gable end here is mimicking the one on the south side. And then now we have, by running the joists all the way out, we have a work platform to construct the gable wall. By constructing the gable wall, we'll be able to add some additional support to the main ridge. We installed this double LVL beam here this morning, and that'll be support for a dormer wall, which will have a shed roof on that, and then the 2 bathrooms will be in this dormer. And we also built that short knee wall out there, and that'll be where the rafters that run from the outside wall of the dormer, then the rafters will be a 12-12 pitch, continuing the 12-12 pitch that's running up here, and that'll run from the wall of the dormer to that plate there and then extend out with an overhang.
Chris Doyavashev, he is Bulgarian guy. His brother was an actor in Bulgaria. So he wraps the building. The building stays for a while. He unwrap it and the building is the same. Now we are wrapping 1-story house. We unwrap it and voila, it's a 2-story house.
Oh, there comes the tarp. This week we finished this gable down here and rafters over this south bedroom. We came up here and did the gable wall and built the office and extended our cantilevered floor out over the porch below. Built this exterior wall, extended the floors here, and over there, and ran an additional beam here and over there. And then we started erecting these walls. We have the hallway wall and this dormer wall. There'll be 2 bathrooms here. And Boris is starting to lay out the first bathroom. Then we'll have another bathroom here. That'll be the door into Boris's bathroom, and then this will be the door into this powder room here. And then we also put up that, there's a long beam across there separating the stairs from the recreation room and this hallway. We got that in, and then we'll carry our joists from this common wall here out to that beam. It's about at the end of the day, so we won't get a whole lot more done, but we'll get this framing, and then next week we'll work on getting all the joists in, getting all the rafters in, and then we can proceed with these 2 front gable extensions as soon as the 2 front porches are complete.
Can you say that the atmosphere or some of the radio waves we don't see are on target? They are here, but you cannot shoot them, you cannot do anything with it. We don't see them.
So I gotta change that.
No, you just don't take. You don't take the parcel. If you don't take the parcel, the postman will return it to the sender.
Okay.
This is what my master says. He says, they're asking if somebody attends us. He says, if you don't take the parcel,
It's okay.
the postman will return it to the sender.